Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of infectious medicine is the acute viral meningitis. We will talk about this topic in 5 different sections. In the first section, we will talk about the clinical manifestations, etiology and epidemiology of acute viral meningitis. In the second section, we will talk about some tests that can be performed on the cerebrospinal fluid for the diagnosis of the meningitis and also the viral culture that can be performed for the diagnosis. In the third section, we will talk about the PCR polymerase chain reaction, serological studies for the viral meningitis, and some other lab findings. Then in the fourth section, we will specifically talk about the etiologies of the viral meningitis, what are the differential diagnoses, and what are some specific viruses or viral infections that can cause viral meningitis. And then in the fifth and final section, we will conclude our topic by discussing the different treatment options available for treating the viral meningitis and what's the prognosis of the viral meningitis. So keep watching sqadia.com to learn about the topic acute viral meningitis.